So hi everyone, we are back with another video. So in this video what we are going to learn is we are going to learn how to download and install MySql. So this is the page. So you need to click here, okay, on the download button. Oh, it's asking for Oracle web account. Um, oh, so we need to create a Oracle account. So I already have an account, so I'll log in. So after you log in with your Oracle account with your credentials, it is asking for all these things. So what is your industry and your job function? You can select any one of these, and then you need to enter this code. And after that you need to click on submit form. So one button is coming in the blue color, you need to click on this. So once you click on that, the installer got downloaded. So now we need to double click on this. So it is asking for it's asking for a developer default and server only. So it installs only the MySqL server. So here client only means it installs only the MySqL clients. So we'll go for developer default and click on next. Next. So it's asking to select all these things. So we'll select this. We'll click on next. Click on execute. So it's installing all these things like MySqL server, MySqL workbench, MySqL shell, MySqL router, and then connector ODBC, connector C++. So once it is installed, so it will be a green color will come along with the tick mark, if you see. So what it is doing is it is downloading and then installing. So all these things. So it is saying MySqL workbench downloaded. So all these things got downloaded and then execute. So now it is installing. So first MySqL server installation is complete, and then workbench, MySqL workbench. So once it is installed, here the status it will show complete. So as of now it is showing installing. So all these things are ready to install. So once it completes this, it will move on to the next. So installation of all these things is completed. MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL shell, router, ODBC, C++, J, net documentation and samples and examples. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So it is asking for the password. You need to set the password to log into the database. So I have so it is saying like password strength is weak, so we'll set a strong password. So after that we need to click on next. I think, yeah, it is saying okay. Click on next. Do you want MySQL installer to update the, yeah, it is asking for permissions. Yes, grant full access. Okay, next. And then you select any of this and click on execute. So one by one it will, everything will be executed. Okay. So it is initializing database, updating permissions, and starting the server, applying security settings, and then updating the start menu. Click on finish. Next. Finish. Next. It is asking for the password. So previously we set the password, right? That password we need to. It is saying connection succeeded. Next, execute. Finish. Installation is completed. This is how you can install, download and install MySQL database. That's it for this video. Thank you.